I wasn't expecting company, but if you stay out of the shrubs and flower beds, you can stay.
Give him a wave, Pops, now that you've invited him in. We're two old guys who enjoy playing sandbox and survival games together. I'm Uncle Craig. Go ahead and sit down. Let's visit for a while.
We're going to do our work in the night this time. It's just becoming evening. You can see in the background there the sunset. And so it might get a little dark, a little hard to see, but we're going to do the best we can. I got to thinking about this floor, and I think I did this incorrectly. Let me show you what I mean. We'll take out this first row of beams, or posts. What I really want here is for this to be more like a checkerboard, and I just wasn't quite getting what I wanted. And then I realized that if I use the beam, so I used, I think, one of these beams, either this log beam or this one, probably the 34 degree. There's a 45. I should have been using the 56 degree log beam, and it would have made a significant difference. So let's take a look at that. Yep, right there. We'll just take a row of those. Let's see here. 56. So if I take this one, put it this way, and then put a let's put one of this post right there. If you look, it'll be right there. And then I'm going to take another post and put it this way, 56 degree, or not post, but a beam, 56 degree beam off of that post. And now if I take this short pillar, wyvern short pillar, goes right there, and it's flush. Uh-oh. Nope, that's not where I wanted it. Man. I've got to leave it there, though. So this is going to be... I'll bet you I know what the problem is. Let me get that beam out. There we go. See how I dropped it down one level? I think that'll fix this. I hope. I think. Let's put it... I thought I could get it right at the floor level. Let's take this out. I'm going to take all of these beams out. I really think we can get this to be better. I hope. Okay. I see those went right into the ground, so they probably would have been fine. Okay. Let me try putting the flooring in again. However, let me put it... Well, I think I will have to put it down here. Let me grab one of these instead. We're kind of doing a little trial and error here. This is going to take fine wood. Yeah, I don't want to use that. Leave that as it is. Whoops, I put that in the wrong place. Press F. The crosshatch look. There we go. Try this again. I hope I don't have to leave it up that high. You know, this just not gonna... Let's try this. Yeah, I wonder... Can I click the floor in? Go here. Yeah, see, it's gonna cover that pillar. I'm not sure how I can do this. I think the only way to do it, sadly, this is what I was trying to avoid. Sadly, I think the only way to do it is to take rock and clay and put in a solid block here. And I think it's worth doing this, though I don't like it. Then if I put this beam in, it will not be in the rock, it'll be on top of it. Oh yeah, see, there it is. Now I don't, you know what? Now I'm wondering. Yeah. So it looks like what I'll have to do is to put a stone foundation here. So it's not going to be this nice brown wood color in this part. And the floor in the restaurant is a little different color too. I'm just hoping to be able to get it to be the same color as the rest of the building, but I can't. So we're going to put the stone foundation here. We'll also put it along in this area here. And so anyway, then what I can do is to put this here, and you can see it is right next to that one. Now I can do my checkerboard. So we'll do that one. And then I better get back a ways. That one. And we'll have to put one of these up from there so that we can also do this one right there. Okay. So now we have our checkerboard. I can actually take this beam out. Let's see if I can. I don't know how this will work. Where's what I'm looking for? There it is. Let's see if I can get one to show up right where I want it. Yeah, let's put it right there. But I want it. See, I can't quite get it exactly where I want it. We'll get close. I mean, I could do one other thing there to get it there, but that's good enough right there, I think, for the moment. Let's see. First, I want to get the floor in. So I've got that one there. Oops, how did I get this one here? Must have been from something else. Let's put this here. Now I should have my checkerboard. Yep. Take out this one, and you can see how that's going to come together. So what I'm going to do is let's put these in here and here and here and here and one more, and from that one I can put another post. Make sure I get the right angle. That's right. And put one in here and here. Okay. I won't need that anymore. I don't need this anymore, but I do need posts out from the base. So I'm going to drop it down one. Make sure I've got the right direction. I do. Drop them all down. And from right here, well, it doesn't have to be quite that far, but so now we'll get this one down. We'll put these out so that I can go one more beam out from here. 56-degree beam. And I already have that one in. Drop these.
Like, subscriber, get off my lawn.
Down one as well. Just to make sure there's no inconsistency. Okay. Now we'll take these, and I've got, you notice I've got that one right there. You can see when I move away, it's right there. So the next one will be right here, right? All right, this is going to be tricky. I'm going to go from this other side, and we'll take this beam out because I don't need it anymore, and this beam out. All right, so this one, we want to go one more click up, and there you can see it's in the right place, and that one's in the right place, and this one we'll have to back up for that one. See if I can hit the right pole. This pole right there. Come down. I can't tell very well. I can't see it well enough. Let's just get the rest of these in. Well, it's going to be right here. There we go. Got I had that post there. I could take that post out now and put this in right here. And I don't think I want to put one further than that. Doesn't seem right. No, we're not going to put that one there. Okay, so we're done with that. Get the next one. Right there, right there, right there. there, and there. Okay, so we're getting it. Taking a little bit. Can't see it very well, so I'm a little... It got in the right place. Good. We could take this out, that one in, and this one. Okay, take that out, that out. All right, getting there. Oh, I wanted that post, that beam in there. Now I can take them out. Hop, fall down. I can get it from here this time. Got it. There we go. Okay. Now I should be able to do this. Let me show you what we're going to do here. We'll take this short beam here. I may have done this before, so you've seen it. Put that there. Put this back the other way, but angled. And then we're going to do a long beam off of there. And that should fill that in right there. Get rid of that short beam. Get rid of that one. And we have a wall right there. All right. There you go. Leaves a little gap here. This is going to be in a closet anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. And we can always put a threshold here if we want to. But there we go. There's our floor. In fact, we could probably... yeah, so you probably put that one there. This one, well, we can't, let's do this. Should be able to put one right. We can't quite. Isn't that funny? Let's see, let's put this out. Maybe we can do it this way. Can I do it there? No. It's all right. You can see how I could do that, though. I could get another piece right there. So we'll just have to do a little measurement to do that. But there you got your checkerboard floor. I'll do that a little bit here as well. We'll get that done. Right here, I don't like this gap. So we're going to do a little work here. Let's take the beams here. And one this direction if I had wooden beams. Let's go grab some. We'll just put this one this way. They'll overlap a little bit. And then I think I have available, I don't think, yeah, this one will fit. Yeah. So the medium wood floor along there. We can make a checkerboard if we want at some point, but put that right there. I don't necessarily need this wall, but there is actually a wall there. So we'll leave that as it is. We'll put a wall, a very small wall on that end. So that's good so far. I think actually this, we'll leave that there. I think it'll look okay once you put a wall up. This doesn't look good though. Let's fix that. Let's put it from there. There you go. So that's lined up. But that didn't line up well either. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay, looks good. Nice and clean. Okay. I will put a wall across there at some point. And then over here, I'm going to change this a bit. Let's fix these stairs now. And this is going to take a little bit of an explanation. So we've got the ratios correct. These stairs are like a middle section of 5 sections. Okay, so that part is good. Problem is, it's a little too big, and this restaurant area down here, from here to roughly right about here, we'll measure it, is the inside of the restaurant, and then this is extra space outside. There's a patio outside. And the roof and the main part of the building only comes about this wide from there to here. And then this kitchen area that's here is kind of an add-on part of the building. So the roof will be a little bit different right there as well. So what I need to do is keep the ability to divide this main area by a width of 5, but instead of having it be 15 meters across here, we need to reduce that. So what would we reduce it to? Well, we'd reduce it to 5 2-meter segments, which is 10 meters. Now, how far is 10 meters? Well, if you look at the building material, see that says 3 by 3 dimension width and height 3 by 3. Those are meters. So it's 3 meters wide. So 10 meters would be 3 of these, which is 9, and then 1/3, which is right about there. So let's put a post there. We'll just put an ugly one because we don't want it to stay. How do I know it's 1/3? Well, if I go here, then we have it divided by, whoops, not there, right here. I think it's divided by thirds. So you got 1/3 there, 1/3 here, 1/3 here. Okay. It's also the foundations are divided by thirds, the snap points, so you can see that we got it lined up correctly. All right, so get rid of this one. So this post here is our 10-meter mark. And we need the stairs to be the center of it, 2 meters wide, and I was going to reduce the stairs to 2 meters anyway. You can see this is a 3-meter block, and if I take one of the stairs out, you'll see that this remaining stair is the 2-meter width that we wanted. Okay, so let's take that stair out and let's think this through. That's 2, there's 2, so the stair is going to be right here, right there, I believe. So that's 4 to here, that's 5, see, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah. So let's take this out. Let's put, what did we have here? Oh yeah, we had 2 sets of these beams like that. Okay. Oh, I took that post out. I actually wanted that. Let's put the posts in so we make sure we got our measurements right. There's 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter. So it's actually 4 meters. Or no, sorry, 1 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to put a wall here. And there's going to be a hallway. There's going to be a door for... I'm going to lift this up and I'll show you why in a minute. There's going to be a door for a bathroom there too. We're going to put these here because we want them to line up with the main flooring. These sections are a couple of awkward pieces. So we're going to do this and this instead. Now, I'm not sure how the rest of this is going to lay out at the moment. I just wanted to get this wall in just to get things kind of laid out a bit. And actually that wall is going to be coming out from here. Let's put that here and this here. And we'll get it all better later. There's going to be like a hallway right in this area. We're going to move this around a little bit. It's not quite lined up. Well, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. We may be just right. But there we go. So when somebody comes into the building, they come here and they're going to come around here down this short hallway and then into the restaurant. All right. Let me take these posts down so they don't look funny anymore. And I'm going to leave that wall, that wall right here, just showing where the extension is. Okay. And there's going to be an outer wall that comes out from here to this end. And then the center of the roof is going to be right here where I'm standing. Okay. Let's put some, I think I'm all about putting down we don't have enough beams for all of it. So let me get some more beams. But I want to put down the walls, the layout for the outer wall. And then I also want to do some flooring. I'm going to put the nice and the clay back and get some more plank. Okay, let's get these floors in. So the walls up, the layout of the walls anyway. I did that again. Let's line them up with the foundations. So we make sure we don't have any awkward measurements. Keep it easy for ourselves. You know what? We're going to be building walls off of this foundation too, I think. So I'll put that long one and we'll probably add to it down that way later on. Let's get this over here. And just to keep things simple, I'm going to put the floor up underneath that level. Well, there we go. Forgot I could do this in force like that just by turning it. Do it from here. Wooden beams. Thanks. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Beams. Hopefully we've got enough supplies left here. That's going to be close. Out there is the patio, so that actually won't have a flooring. So if I do run out again, we'll use that. Do that right? Yeah. Okay, and then like I said, this out here wasn't using my head, so we're gonna take that up, this up, and for now we'll even take this up. I'm not gonna fill in all the flooring right here along this edge here quite yet, but we will. Oops, look at that. Knew I was gonna do that someday. Gotta be more careful when I'm tearing things up. And this will come here and there, and we will have this along here to be the outer wall for the building right there. But this will not be here. There's probably going to be something on that side for wall, but we'll take this out. I get just the wood and not the foundation. There we go. Oh, look what I did. I knew I was going to do that. Bring this post down here. Need to line it up. Let's leave that there. A little sloppy here today. Oh, we'll get it. Right here. There we go. Now we got it. There we go. Then we'll go there and there. Okay, there you go. We'll fill in that flooring later, but this should be it. So this is your main restaurant right here. Okay. Roughly the same way it is in the actual restaurant. There'll be a door here and a door over here that comes out to this patio, and then there's going to be some stairs up the back here into the dishwashing area and the cooking area, and then this is where they do the serving. And it is pretty tight. It may not be quite this tight, but it is pretty tight. We may move things around a little bit, but that's pretty close. Okay, so we got that done so far. Worked through the night for it. Next time we will finish up the checkerboard floor that's over there. There's some more of it that gets laid out on part of the restaurant. And then we should be ready to put some of the walls up to do the rest of the layout, I guess, and make sure the restaurant is all laid out properly. I've got some pictures that are going to help with that. And then we'll start getting some walls and windows and the roof up, and we can start decorating. So looking good. Hope to see you in game, guys. Have fun.